There are four, three or four simple things I make mistakes on every video I make for YouTube because I'm learning while I do this. And let me explain to you what those things are. First of all, is I don't ask for people to leave comments below. A lot of the videos I make are based on comments I get primarily through email, not through comments in the autoresponder box. I had people that hit me up in chat on my Facebook account. I have people that hit me up on the chats at my websites, but very few people leave comments. So if I ask for comments, what I'll do is I'll read the comments. If they're defamatory, I'll delete them and mark you as spam. But if they're like, hey, dude, how do you do this? I'll try to answer it. So I need to ask for comments. The next thing I never do in my videos that you should always do, you should ask people to subscribe. Now, a lot of people who watch the video are already subscribers. That's great. Thank you very much. But there's a lot of people who are not subscribers that would benefit from just flat out honest advice. So I never ask people, please subscribe. Now at the end of the video, there's always the little thing there with 3 additional movies you can watch and a little subscribe button, and there's always a little subscribe button down below. But I should always end my videos by saying subscribe. The other thing that really makes a big difference, ask for a thumbs up. I never do that either. I just do the videos because I care more about the content than I do about my monetization of the content. But in honesty, if you're doing this to make money, you really want to ask people to like your content. What that does is it creates a liked content in a playlist that people can look at and see and watch. So it's a way of virally growing your list, your subscriber base. And that's, 70% of what you're going to see. 80% of the views you get right off the bat are going to be from your subscribers. So you want as many subscribers as you can get. But it's a lot like email. You still need to keep them engaged, so you need to stay on topic. This channel is all about online business and marketing, okay? Now, I don't do the fancy stuff, and I don't wave the $10,000 bills, and I've told you all about that before. But some of the things that are really easy to do is when you're finishing a video, you say, thank you for watching the video. That's another thing I need to do. I appreciate what you're doing. Hey, leave me a thumbs up, share the video if you feel like it, and make sure you're subscribed, and we'll keep getting you great content. Very simple things to do at the end of each video. So, also, check out the other videos we got, and subscribe. Y'all have a great day.